Welcome to the Explainer. Let's ditch the confusion and visually conquer math word problems with two unknowns.
Ever stared at a word problem like this and just felt totally paralyzed? Yeah, we've all been there. But hey, forget clunky algebra. We're going to solve this using clean, super simple visual bar models. Here's our golden rule. Spot the right relationships and bam, there's only one single mathematical solution. Let's kick things off with sum and difference problems. Imagine we're measuring out two wooden planks. We just subtract that 30-centimeter difference from the total and chop the rest equally in two. And just like that, our base value is exposed. Plank B is exactly 85 centimeters long. See how they lock together? Shifting one value changes the difference until literally only one match works. Okay, but what about multiples? Like, say one suitcase weighs exactly half as much as another.
Easy. We just draw one block for the lighter bag and two blocks for the heavier guy.
Now we've got 3 equal blocks total, right? So we just divide that 22.5 kilos by 3. Boom! Total aha moment. That single block, the lighter suitcase, is exactly 7.5 kilograms. So satisfying. Ready to level up? Let's check out a super clever trick called the same coefficient method. So Alex grabs 2 bananas and 3 kiwis for 3 pounds. Sophia gets 4 and 3 for 3 pounds 60. Notice the catch here? Sophia really just bought 2 extra bananas, which caused that 60p price bump. By visually isolating that difference, we literally just divide 60p by 2. Boom, single banana price. Yep, there it is. One single banana costs exactly 30 pence. See, we're already halfway there. Now, plug that 30p right back into Alex's total cart, and those leftover kiwis reveal themselves. Turns out, a kiwi is exactly 80 pence. And just like that, we found our single solution. So, what's the big takeaway? All these crazy different problems basically share the exact same hidden structure.
If you know the sum and the difference of two unknown things, there's mathematically only one answer.
And it's the exact same for multiples. Know the sum and the relationship, and a solution is guaranteed.
Makes you wonder, right? What other complex problems could you solve by just drawing out the visual blocks?